Hello, my name is Katie, and I'm a farm loan specialist with Minnesota Farm Service Agency. Farm Service Agency, or FSA, is an agency within the United States Department of Agriculture that is committed to delivering USDA programs and services to America's farmers and ranchers. Within FSA's farm loan programs, there are many loan program opportunities available to assist farmers or aspiring farmers, including the FSA Youth Loan Program, which is what will be discussed in this presentation. First, let's discuss what a youth loan is. Farm Service Agency can make low interest loans to youth to establish and operate agriculture related income producing supervised projects. These loans can be for a maximum amount of $10,000. It's important to understand who can request a youth loan. A youth loan can be requested for anyone that is between the ages of 10 and 20 years old. You must be a United States citizen, non-citizen national, or a qualified legal alien, and you must have an advisor who agrees to provide supervision and oversight of the project being financed. Additionally, an applicant must be capable of planning, managing, and operating the project with guidance from an advisor and must have parental consent to do this project. Nearly any kind of agricultural income producing project can be funded with a youth loan. Some of these include livestock, crops, fruits and vegetables, floriculture, or turf grass. The goal of the Youth Loan Program is to help you get started with an agricultural business. Things to keep in mind when you apply is that the project must be planned with the help of an advisor. This could be an FFA advisor, 4-H leader, tribal youth advisor, or an other ag organization leader. The project must be of modest size and produce enough income to repay the loan, and the project must provide practical business, financial management, and educational experience. There are different ways that the loan funds can be used by the applicant. They can be used to buy livestock, seed, equipment, and supplies. The funds can also be used to buy, rent, or repair the needed tools and equipment for the project, as well as pay operating expenses. There are some important details to know when you're requesting a youth loan. The maximum loan amount is $10,000. This does not mean that you have to request a loan amount of $10,000. This means that you cannot have more than $10,000 outstanding at any one time. FSA will require collateral for the loan. The loan collateral consists of crops, livestock, equipment, and/or other items purchased with the loan funds. The repayment schedule is worked out with the loan officer, and it's tailored to the type of project you will have. Loans must be repaid within 7 years, but keep in mind, a loan to raise livestock or crops must be repaid when the commodity is sold, which may result in a loan being less than 7 years. Again, the repayment schedule is going to depend on the type of project you will have. Interest rates on FSA loans have a potential to change from month to month. However, when a loan is approved, the interest rate will be established for the term of the loan. If you would like additional information on the current interest rates, you will need to contact your local FSA office. Another detail with the Youth Loan Program is that you will be required to sign a promissory note. By signing a promissory note, you are promising to repay the loan. Your parent or guardian must sign the youth loan form to give you permission to obtain a loan. Your advisor must sign the youth loan form indicating they will provide oversight of the project. But unless they co-sign the actual loan document, you and only you are responsible for paying off the loan. FSA has seen many youth that are able to have success with the youth loan program, including past youth loan borrower Cohen. Cohen obtained a youth loan in 2019 to purchase a cattle chute and fencing supplies for his cattle operation. Cohen had goals established for his operation when he applied for the youth loan, and those goals were to expand his farming operation and to be able to raise his own steers to market weight. The fencing supplies would allow him the additional space needed to accomplish those goals. A statement Cohen made regarding the youth loan process was, "The Farm Service Agency youth loan experience allowed me to improve facilities for my current cow-calf herd and expand my market cattle herd. As a young cattleman with limited resources, I wanted to make some improvements to my facilities on my home farm. I wanted to increase the efficiency for feeding and caring for cows, calves, and market beef. I was able to improve my fencing, indoor pens for birthing and feeding, and along with a chute for a safer facility to work cattle. I was able to work with local cattlemen to help make decisions." Through the application process, FSA worked closely with Cohen to help him understand the importance of having a feasible cash flow plan that shows the ability to make his loan payments and pay farm expenses. Cohen received guidance not only from his parents, but also a 4-H extension educator who served as the project advisor. Cohen's plans included attending monthly 4-H meetings, which would allow him to discuss his beef production and record keeping with his advisor. Cohen said, "I have learned about financial planning, record keeping, and efficiency. I enjoyed having our local FSA loan officer visit the farm so I could show them all the improvements and my passion for my beef cattle. I am excited for the future. The improvements I was able to make will be long lasting in my operation and help me continue growing my herd for the future. I appreciate the Farm Service Agency offering a youth loan to kids like me. Thank you for supporting youth in agriculture." One of the best benefits of the youth loan program is that it provides you experience towards your future occupation. Within that experience, you will grow both personally and professionally while meeting different people within the agricultural industry and learning how to operate your business. This will help you become more responsible with financial planning, building your credit, and may also allow you to earn money for your future education. Now, you may be wondering what the next step is. First, you will want to visit with your parents regarding your ideas because you are going to need their consent and support to pursue the project. Second, you'll need to visit with an agriculture advisor to talk about your ideas because you will also need their support and guidance. And finally, you will contact your county FSA farm loan staff to get an application and start the process. The website links included on this page can provide you more information about FSA farm loan programs and can also assist you in finding your nearest FSA county office. If you do have any additional questions after this presentation, please discuss them with your parents, your project advisor, and reach out to your local FSA office. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation for FSA Youth Loan Programs. Hopefully you found the information helpful as you look towards your future in agriculture.